So hello and welcome to the channel, and today we have new arrival and MK4 ST line, and guess what, battery is dead. I believe this car is 2019 or 20, something like that. So let me show you. And it's an Ecoboost, so 1.0 Ecoboost engine. Battery is a little bit smaller, and let me show you what you need to do to replace the battery so you can start your car. I did made a video on a 1.5 diesel EcoBlue engine. So yeah, start with this bad boy. Just click it over here. What we have that we need to take out is this 110 10. This over here have just click, so you pull it out, and yeah, you will screw this there. Let's unscrew these 10 first. Try not to be, so this need a bit longer one. It can be done with this, just you don't put all the way until you don't unscrew it a little bit like this. Try not to lose the bolts. Let me unscrew this one. So like this, you don't wanna make this problem for yourself, because it's hard to find them, and if they go down there, it's gonna be not really fun situation, to be honest. So yeah, let's try that. And now we have this 13 over here, so that's the one that I wanna take out as well. Maybe a little bit more, so like that. Let's see. What else? Now we pull this over here. There is 13 down there, 10 I believe, no 10, I don't know, this one. But as this is my parts car, I will just scroll this a little bit up. So take that one, move it somewhere that it's not gonna be in your way. Same goes for this bad boy over here. This one is a little bit tighter, but yeah, still. Now unscrew this. I did already unscrew it before, so just turn it around and unplug it and put somewhere left, right, wherever you need. So take the cover. We have here KNF. Somebody change and put some nice filter inside. So yeah, but still dirty. It's still dirty. So this underneath you have these clips over here. Basically just take screwdriver and clip it in the holes like this, so you can take this out. Not that hard. There is 2 clicks that you need to pull, and then you just pull it up together with the air filter. So when you remove the pipe, you take the air filter out as well. It's just on clips, like one clip over here, one clip over here, and another one over here. Now you can access the battery quite easily. You pull a little bit up and scroll out, so like this. So I'm not really sure if this battery is original from the Focus, since it has here H1 BT, so I kind of feel this one is more for Fiesta, but yeah. So basically all together you take a new battery. Let me maybe find some other battery. When you're changing battery, you should always change the same battery. So this one is 600A, 60 ampere hours. I have this spare one. I will just put it in, so just to show. But yeah, basically if you're changing batteries, try to find same type of. So this one is AFB, this one is AFB plus C, and yeah, you get the picture. But just so I can start the car and everything, I will put this one in. So you put it the same way you took it out, scroll in like that. You just scroll it in, put all your plugs back on, click that one over here, screw it, put your air filter inside. Be kinda gentle with the air filter. You don't want really to break anything, because that's quite expensive mistake, to be honest. Now the filter. So when putting the filter back, you can see here there is one and there is another one. So you need to screw it to push this side in before. So you push this side in and then you go for these sides to click it like that. So this one and this one over here, you put your hose back in. It's gonna be a little bit harder job with one hand, so let me put it back. So like this. After that we're gonna screw the back, that 13 back, because that was the last one that we did screw out. After that we have the 2/10. So this one and this one, and all what's left is this bad boy over here. So I'm gonna screw that one in. Like that, and just like that you click this bad boy in. So basically that's that. And if you have Ecoboost 18, 19, even 20, you should always check these valves. And why, I will show you. If you have ones like this, so oil on electricity, it's time to change both sides. So that's just something that I would recommend. These are, I don't know, under 100 euros. So yeah, anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and see you next one.